What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can turn off quiet mode on your Instagram account. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do first, you have to go to your Instagram. After going to Instagram, you have to go to your profile. You have to click on your profile icon just like this. Then you have to click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you so that you can turn off the quiet mode on your Instagram. So after clicking on this three dot bar icon, you have to click on this option time spent in this option like here. After clicking on time spent, you have to find the option that called quiet mode. This quiet mode, you have to click on this quiet mode option just like this. After clicking, so you have to turn this option on. After clicking on this option just like this, you can see here is the option skip for now, turn off quiet mode. Then you have to click on the second option, turn off quiet mode just like this. Then your quiet mode has been offed. So this is how you can turn off Instagram quiet mode on your mobile phone. So I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.